no tomorrow.
Hey y'all, welcome to my channel, or welcome back. If you are new here, thank you so much for joining us. If you are returning, you already know it. You are fabulous. All right, so today's video, this is number 32 of our 365-day daily devotionals. So this is the Jesus Calling devotional by Sarah Young. It's fantastic. Just the whole vibe of this is awesome. I'm telling you, the comment section of these videos, I love going through and reading all of it, because there's so many people out there in need of prayer, or people testifying to things that God has done in their life. It's just awesome. So be sure you check out the comment section also. But if you have missed any of the previous episodes, I'll have those linked in the description box. If you're wondering why I'm doing a daily devotional and not my DIYs, I'll have some videos to get you caught back up to date, also in the description box. All right, let's jump in. Okay, number 32. Now, this says February 1st. Obviously, this is not February 1st. But I have just marked my book 32. That way we can go 1 through 365, because I only upload Monday through Friday. So we can't actually stay with the date. But this is number 32. So anyways, just in case you were wondering, it does say February 2nd. So here are the verses for today. I like to give these to you guys. That way y'all can go back and look at them throughout your day if you'd like to. Just see how God uses these verses in your life. Maybe take a screenshot, jot them down, whatever you want to do. But I like for you guys to have the verses for sure. Okay. Oh, man. Hang on. Okay, sorry. Somebody came in the door, so I had to kind of stop for a second. Anyway, so back to our devotional. Number 32. I got lipstick on everything, too. I got it on my page. I got it on my pants. Like, I literally got it everywhere. Anyways. Follow me one step at a time. That is all I require of you. In fact, that is the only way to move through this space-time world. You see huge mountains looming, and you start wondering how you're going to scale those heights. Meanwhile, because you're not looking where you're going, you stumble on the easy path where I am leading you now. As I help you get back on your feet, you tell me how worried you are about the cliffs up ahead, but you don't know what will happen today, much less tomorrow. Our path may take an abrupt turn, leading you away from those mountains. There may be an easier way up the mountains than is visible from the distance. If I do lead you up the cliffs, I will equip you thoroughly for that strenuous climb. I will even give my angels charge over you to preserve you in all your ways. Keep your mind on the present journey, enjoying my presence. Walk by faith, not by sight, trusting me to open up the way before you. Man, that's so true. Whew. I mean, I could definitely relate to this one for sure. There were things that I had going on in my life that I maybe was, worrying about a little bit, or looking towards, and I thought that that's the way things were going to happen, and we were going to do this, and then boom, just like that, a tornado comes, completely takes my house, everything with it, and everything's turned upside down. I mean, everything was just like so fast, and then boom, it's all over, and like, what do you do now? You know what I mean? But I immediately just got on my knees and said, God, what do I do now? I mean, I literally said that. And he just said, hey, I got you. So no matter what goes on in your life, no matter how big the mountains are, No matter how low the valleys get, just know that God is right there with you. All you have to do is reach out for him. Call upon his name. Tell him that you are afraid. Tell him that you see the mountains in the distance. Tell him those things. Talk to him just like you and I are talking right now. Well, I guess you guys aren't really talking back, but you know what I mean, okay? Just talk to him like he's your friend. Gosh, it's such a calming, secure, comforting feeling to know that God is with me no matter what. No matter what. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's do the verse. This is before I preach. Sorry. This one just really got me. I mean, especially where it says, but you don't know what will happen today, much less tomorrow. And it's so true. The day before the tornado, I literally had my day planned out for the next day. Things I needed to get done. I mean, I have a little planner, and so I go through my planner and I'm writing everything down. I've got it all planned and I'm going to do it. And the Lord said, no, you're not. No, you're not actually. You're going to do what I say. We're going to switch it up a little bit and you're going to do what I say. And it's literally been the best thing that's ever happened to me. I don't know how or why, but I know it's good and I know it's God. Okay, let's do the verses. All right. With your help, I can advance against a troop. With my God, I can scale any wall. Psalms 18:29. For he will give his angels charge over you to accompany and defend and preserve you in all your ways of obedience and service. They shall bear up on their hands, lest you dash your foot against a stone. Psalms 91:11 and 12. For we walk by faith, not by sight. 2 Corinthians 5:7. That's just such a good verse. It's probably one of the very first verses that I ever learned. Probably because it's so short, but it's probably one of the very first verses that I ever learned, like in Sunday school and stuff, because, we walk by faith, not by sight. I mean, how do you teach a child to believe in something that they can't see or touch or, watch on their iPad or whatever? They walk by faith, not by sight. You need to begin to teach your children that at a very young age. That you might not see Jesus, but by George, he's there. And most definitely you can feel him. Good stuff. If you're praying about stuff and you're not getting any answers and you're not feeling God and you just don't understand what's going on, please, please, please make sure that your heart is right with God. Make sure that you've given your heart to God and you've, asked for forgiveness. Give him your heart. Believe in him. If you don't 100% believe that God is real and that he's working in your life, there probably ain't no sense in you praying. If you don't believe in him, what are you praying to? You have to believe it with all your heart, your whole heart. Believe in him with your whole heart. All right, guys. If you have enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. It definitely helps my channel. Don't forget to share this with your friends and family and subscribe. That would be awesome. Plus hit that notification bell so that you will know each time I upload a new video. All right. Thank you so much for being with me today, and y'all have a blessed day.